What's up, YouTube? It is KnewNeverYou here today, and we have a throwback Dark Side of Dimensions Secret Edition. So I picked this up today at Locals because I needed some Harpy Dancers Lost Art promotion cards, and they're like 15, 20 bucks a piece. So I figured I might as well spend a little extra, and get two Lost Art Harpy Dancers to complete my collection and get something to open, because I'd rather buy product and get free expensive cards than buy these expensive cards and really just get the expensive card. So that's what I did. I think it's 8 of these. Yeah. Oh no, it's 10. Oh, I thought it was 8. He told me it was 8. So that means he undercharged me. That's fine with me. 100% fine with me. Don't want to spoil the surprise. Alright. So we're going to open all this stuff up as fast as I can. I always save the cardboard to burn in my burn pile. Gotta love saving the community, or the world rather, whatever. I feel like it's better than just throwing it away. Throwing it away. We actually use the charcoals and ashes as compost for our garden, so I feel like it's helping everything all the way around. Oh man, this is the first time I've opened a display case of this stuff, period, so be the first time everybody gets to actually enjoy it. I don't think this set was heavily opened, so hopefully I get a bunch of secret Dark Magician girls and secret Blue Eyes White dragons, because those secret Dark Magician girls are getting pretty high, and I feel like because nobody bought this product, they're just gonna spike up from here, making a lot of noise. People are trying to sleep. Cost you pay for going to Locals at night. See if we can do this in under 20 minutes. Highly unlikely, but we're going to try. One more. I think they're what, 5 card packs? Yep, all secret rares. Alright, see what we got. Packs to the side. Alrighty. And it is 3 cards in each. So we got a bunch of crystals and a bunch of doozes. So we're just gonna do it like that. Open these bad boys. It's 3 in each. I think you get a guide card, a Blue Eyes Dark Magician, or the Crystal Dragon, or a Dooza. And I feel like these are the things that collectors go and buy from time to time because nobody bought it, so not a lot of people have it. So why not pick it up and be the envy of people that you don't know and never will probably meet ever? I feel like I butchered that sentence. Yeah, this is gonna be more than 20 minutes. See. Right. Get the trash out the way. Alright, Duza, Blue Eyes, Obelisk. Duza, Blue Eyes, Obelisk. So I guess if it's the Crystal Dragon, it's, yep, Dark Magician and Slifer. So we already know. Let's just go ahead and sort these while we're here then. Then I can give you an estimate of how many we have. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got a play set and almost 2 play sets of Blue Eyes. That means we're gonna have 1, 2, 3. Yep. So we got 5 and 5. It's not bad at all. All right. I like to put my stuff in order by rarity and archetype. Not archetype. Type. So set that aside. Let's get to opening some of these packs. So just go ahead and make this as fast as possible since this isn't a new product, so everybody kind of knows what it is for the most part. And if you don't, I will kind of slow down because some of this stuff is pretty good. The thing about products like this is a lot of people say it's trash and it's a waste of money, waste of time, waste of effort. I mean, you could say that about anything, really. Like if you buy Blazing Vortex and you don't pull a pot of prosperity and you bought a box for like $70, I mean, you could say it was a waste of time and waste of money. So I feel like people's opinions are relative and I don't really hold much stock in them, especially people that spend more money in this game than they like to lead on that they do. But it's just my take on listen to other people's opinions when you want to spend your money. I wouldn't go out and like spend your whole life savings on Yu-Gi-Oh, but if you got an extra $10 you want to spend, you want to buy some cards, and hey, you can either buy some cards or save it, whatever. Enough of my rambling, let's get it. All right. These cards look, ooh, berry. Like the shimmer on them looks some excuse me. I needed another one of these. I mean, truthfully, ooh, look at that. Dark Magician Girl. First pack. Well, first set of packs. Let's see. And a Dark Magician. I want 3 secret Blue Eyes too, though. Assault Wyvern. Ooh, awesome. I forgot this came secret. I sound like those YouTubers now. I forgot that was in this set. Kiwi, Crimson, Marsh Macaron. I needed another one of these to complete my playset of the secrets. I think I have 3 of these. Kaiser, Pandemic. That card's good. Let me see if I can focus on it. When a face-up Blue Eyes monster you control is destroyed by battle or an opponent's card effect and you have a dragon monster in your graveyard, you can special summon this card from your hand, and if you do, inflict 600 to your opponent for each dragon with different names in your graveyard. This card is normal summon or special summon. Target 1 dragon monster in your graveyard. This card's attack becomes equal to that monster's attack. If this card on the field is destroyed by an opponent, destroyed by a card effect, destroy all monsters your opponent. Man, see, that's like people be sleeping on these cards, man. Like, come on, bro. sweet. Like I bought, well, you guys know I bought Legendary Duelist Season 2, but now I finally have him in secret rare form and Blue Eyes in secret rare. So far so good. I'm kind of happy. If I can get 2 more of these and 2 more of the Chaos Max, ooh, I wouldn't mind 2 more of those. Dragon's Fighting Spirit, V-Jump. Looks like I'm finally gonna have a playset of all the stuff that I missed. There's my Dark Magician. Another Deep Eyes. Celtic Dimension. Gendora. The Shimmer, man, looks great. Spiritual Dark Magician Girl. Got him. This card's good. Man, these secret rares look beautiful. Chocolate's a good card. Chocolate's always the one that's short printed too. Regardless of how many packs you open, Chocolate's always the one that's short printed. No, we might finish this in 20 minutes. I think Dark Magician Girl out of here is $10 to $15. So, an alternative I believe is $10. So I've almost made my money back just off those 3 cards. So to me, the set was worth it, and I already had 3 Dark Magician Girls in this rarity, but you know, Dark Magician Girl's that iconic waifu card, so you can never really have too many, in my opinion. Alright, let's get it to it again. We got a normal card. Ooh, yay! 1 more and I got the secret set. That's Dark Magician. Ooh, Slifer. Secret rare. And they got the new structure deck coming out. Barry. Another Slifer. Another Deep Eyes. Gold Gadget. Two of these, man. I am missing, I can't remember the name of it. Maybe when I see it. Well, we got the playset. We did it. I want to try this in Emancipators. Or Emancipators. Whatever. If all monsters you control are rock monsters, while this card is in your graveyard, you can special summon this card. What? And it's a 3, so I mean that I feel like that goes really well with them. Dig a Destiny, Dig a Destiny. Wow, a playset. It's my second. Wow. This Blue Eyes packed out. Let me turn this light down a little bit. There we go. That's crazy. Apple. Can we get 1 more Dark Magician Girl? Second playset. Second playset for the homies. And 1 more Blue Eyes and Secret. 1 more Secret Blue Eyes. My Ice Barrier decks are lost somewhere, along with my Shadowbringer Final Fantasy deck. They shipped on like 14th, so I gotta contact the post office and see where they are, because those decks were expensive and I want to open them up and have them and add them to my collection. I like nice things. I like to have nice things. I like my nice things to make it on time. But in the world we live in, you never know what's going to happen. So you always got to be prepared to some extent anyway. We got one more pack to open and then we can speed through this whole display case. Display box anyway. That's the card. It's the first one we got. Another apple. I'm gonna make a Magician Girl deck eventually. I think this is the first clear Karibo we got. I know we got more than one lemon. Now we got 3 apples for a fact, I know. Oh, well, 2 of them now. Come on, baby. Give me that sweet, sweet blue eyes. Look at that play set. Let's see. We got 5 of these. It's like always the cards that you want to pull at the end. We got so many of these. Oh my gosh. So the Blue Eyes Secret. Blue Eyes Secret's always hard to find. Like, I don't understand. I just don't. Which is fine, because I have this art too, and it's ultra. It's not secret, but I mean, I'll live. We got a play set of Dark Magician, but we didn't get more than one, which is fine. I might buy another one of these in like 2 months just to get some more lost arts. But this has been KnewNeverYou. We opened up a display of the secret what is it? Doorway? The dimension, Dark Side of Dimensions. Wow. And yeah, appreciate you guys for watching it. I can't speak English today. It's probably because it's late and I'm super tired. But anyway, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you got anything you'd like to add, comment, just let me know, and I'll do my best to bring better content in the future. Peace, and if you didn't know, now you do.